Hi guys, my name is Tabitha. Today I want to give you a real quick glimpse at this utility tote bag that's going to be amazing for teachers, students taking your work on the go. I mean, just simply traveling in general and needing lots of organization and pockets in a large utility style bag. This is amazing. So I am going to show you kind of how this looks, utilizing it for class, teacher, work style items. It has large straps that are really soft and comfortable, and they're sewn together at the top to make it more simple and comfortable to hold in your hands so you can carry it like that. And then on the front and back of the bag, there are large organizer pockets here. So big enough to hold a pencil case. This one I've got markers and stuff in, and then some sticky notes. And then both sides have large mesh pockets. You could very easily use this space for more stationery style products, or you could even fit a large tumbler in here, and it fits nice and snug. And then taking a look on the inside, there is a specified laptop pocket here, and it does have your classic Velcro strap to keep it in place, and it does have some padding to it as well. And then things like journals and clipboards, different types of books. I have a little toddler, so this is going to be so loved for homeschool. I've got large binders in here, textbooks, smaller binders, and even some accessory things like a ruler and notepads. And there's still so much space left in here. There's 3 large mesh pockets here, so you can really organize some other small things. As well as below those, there's more mesh pockets down here. There's 2 larger, shorter ones. And then where I'm keeping the notepad and ruler, that's a large mesh pocket. And on the side with the little laptop pocket, you have some other pockets. You have some spaces for your pens. You can put scissors in here, staplers, stickers to reward students. I mean, the possibilities are just about endless. And then it does zip up here, and it's got these little flaps so that it can keep that space available to you and not compromise your ability to zip it up. This bag is going to be spectacular for helping you bring everything that you need with you while keeping it nice and organized. There are so many different circumstances that I know I am going to love this bag beyond homeschool use or even work related use. So if you guys were looking for a really large tote style bag with tons of pockets for organization, this is a great choice, you guys. I would definitely give it a try.